So once again, I want to welcome you back to probably the final portion of my DIY observatory. A couple of changes since the last time I showed you anything is, for one, I lowered the deck about 6 inches. I did this for a couple of reasons. I had mentioned in the last video that I did that the deck just seemed too high on one side. I actually could have lowered it even a little bit more, but I didn't, and I'll show you why in just a second here. Let me open the doors to the observatory, and don't mind the dirtiness on it. So open the doors here, and let me slide the roof back all the way, and back up just a little bit here. So this is basically what the observatory looks like completed. Again, I still have a little bit of housekeeping to do here with the cardboard around the cement pier. And please excuse the wind here as it blows open my doors a little bit. But so you can see that the real reason that I didn't lift this up any higher, and you know what I'm gonna do? Let me just drop a board on this here so it doesn't open up anymore. There we go. Do it like that. So you can see the height of the telescope is just below that black cross member on the roof by about 1.5 inches or 2 inches. And so if I was to go any higher, I would not be able to leave the telescope in the home position. Now, is that the end of the world? Probably not. When I come out here to power it on, I could always put it in the home position. But in this regard, all I have to do basically is put on the dew shield, power it on. I'm going to be running I have a 330 watt solar generator that's going to stay inside here. That's basically going to run the mount itself, and any other power needs that I would have in here. I still have to install a couple more things, put in some shelving and whatever. But overall, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Again, it was pretty easy to build all together. Took about 5 days in total. And for anyone that's curious, the total cost of this, for the cement, the shed itself, and the deck material, came out to about $800 US. So like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. Again, as you can see, it's very cloudy out here, so first light is certainly not going to be for a little bit. My main goal right now is to get it polar aligned on the first clear night we have, and see how everything works. So if you have any questions or anything, drop them in the comments and I'll try and answer them as fast as I can for you, okay? Thank you very much for checking out the videos, and I hope to be able to show you some actual photographs once this is all set and running and we get a clear night. So thanks for checking in.